What? Girl. To the left. Hey, it's Faye. The secondhand embarrassment. Kylie Jenner dropped her sultry, sexy bikini line. And of course, as a mid-sized average girlie with the apron belly, the big onion fupa, literally the flat ass, it's only fair if we try. I don't want to always have to disclaim this, but yes, a non-curvaceous, bodacious, skinny mini. Biggity chickity do her thing. And her nude suit. I look like a naked moran. Honestly, I don't really know if we need this new suit, but here we go. This is the scoop neck bikini top. Was anyone gonna tell me? This is a size large, by the way. Maybe it's because I have this new suit underneath that's like slipping and sliding. I would be arrested. Bikini panties, a little bit wider, doesn't show your booty crack like that. Feels very nice on the body, very snug. I kind of like that. It has a mid-rise, or is it supposed to be a high-rise? Honestly, she could not go wrong with the color. Nice bright construction orange to tell the world you aren't here. I don't know if we need this nude suit. Mr. YouTube, we are doing an educational, informal review. I feel like my rights should not be halted just cause I'm a woman. How are we supposed to get the real deal if we can't get the real feel? So this time around, you're just gonna have to suck it up. And the under boobies supposed to be popping. This is a scoop neck. You're gonna have to really yell at your chesty busties to stay in their pocket. Very short. I'm not trying to be a hater, kind of am. But look at Kylie. Like, look at her body, yeah. She is able to sit and not have any of these juices flowing through her because her juices were sucked out. I cannot help but compare myself to her body and her own bikini line, obviously. This is screaming unhinged jack-o'-lantern. No hate to her, it's just like me. I'm just not comfortable yet to be like exposing myself like this, but then I've been exposing myself like this. So at the end of the day, it's not Kylie's problem. So my advice is, if you're a thicker chicker, you're not gonna feel the most comfortable with like all of this exposed. I like my bikini to be able to like go down a little so I can suck in all this juice. If we can just vacuum seal this chunk right here, we might even be friends, Kylie. This is her style, her brand. She can do whatever she wants. She likes her bikinis to be itty bitty. I mean, have we seen her? I feel like if you wear this top out, the boomers are gonna be like, did you accidentally slip on your child's top? Yes. This is probably a me problem, not a her problem. I definitely think there are better bikinis that make these suits like tummy control or thick, mid-sized girls. This is definitely not a skinny girl haul. Okay, I just dropped the nude suit entirely. Don't worry, I'm not nasty. Don't try on your bikinis without wearing something underneath because like that is your Gucci, not someone else's Gucci. Listen, Linda, she's all about her cover. It's a one shoulder on top of our bikini because nice. I forgot to say, this tiny little bikini top feels like a harness vest on you. Just expect to be pumping your heart. I like this cover up. I'm feeling like secure. You see, the more I hide, the more secure I become. That is the key to life. I got this in a size extra large because I did not want my fupa, my onion, to be projecting its insecurities on you. That is not a fun ride to take. So this is a mesh cover up. I feel like I'm in the 70s discos. Ooh. Look how baggy it looks on my little butt crack. She is bloated hoated. It's like a nice little cover up, but would I actually wear this? I am not in LA or Miami. Honestly, you're gonna wear this out to the beach. No offense, but you have to be an attention seeker. This screams I need security guards. I don't see myself on Lake Michigan being like, hey y'all, alright. To the left. You can walk in the water like this if you want. This is functional. You could totally do it. In terms of like my own self-confidence to wear this out, that's why towels were made. It's cute. It's just not necessary. Okay, maybe we should try something more practical for us. And this is the one piece that actually fits us. Wow. This is a size large. It is a little bit snug, especially on the shoulder. You can tell it's like digging my shoulder blade. To disclaim and defend Kai, little itty bitty G-string bikini tops do come as micro. It's meant to be small, meant to eat you small, meant for you to dream small. Anyway, this one piece, very drawn to this color because you guys know me, I love my red, cool tone red, blue undertone red. You see how I immediately like start hyping it up if it like fits and frames my body well? That's called bias. If I were to just, you know, give myself a front wedge and pull my underwear up higher, this comes up pretty high. You're supposed to wear it over your this? Yeah, your stomach. I love the one shoulder look. It's very like Superman. I mean, if we're really gonna break it down, this is 78 buckaroos. Yes, it fits the figure nicely and it really like snatches you in place, but it is just made with polyester and elastane, which is very similar to spandex. Point is, you could totally just hop on Amazon and not $78. The color is beautiful. It like really snatches your body and it feels like soft to the touch, so there is quality there. But on an average day, how many of you are gonna actually go on and spend 80 bucks on a one piece? Be honest with yourself. Pretty sure you can find something very similar on Amazon Prime. Not sponsored. My point is, if you're gonna buy an $80 bathing suit, go watch my TA3 swimwear haul. That is worth your money. You see, don't worry, you weren't the only one shocked. It comes up pretty high, and this will ride up your ass and give you wedgies left and right. To each your own. Some people like that. Again, from a flat ass to another flat ass. Are we just haters? Here's my recommendation. Go to Target, get yourself a $20 to $30 bathing suit, and then take yourself out to a nice dinner. Comprendo? If I were not wearing the safety net of an underwear underneath, it is a snapping turtle down here.
It is pinching her.
My lips, my hips, my dips, they're gushing out. Again, for educational purposes, Mr. YouTube, us flabbier girls, we just deal with like flaps. When you have something so high and tight like this, riding up your ass crack, obviously the front's gonna squeeze all that out too. You see this fold? You're not supposed to. Just a heads up, you should know this. I'm just helping a girl out. Okay, this next one, unless you plan to question your whole existence, do not plan on putting this on yourself. Excuse me? Nightmare. The most uncomfortable piece of use nice words. Look at this. Literally,
I'm pissed.
I'm sweaty and I'm pissed. What are we doing? This is a corset. People who are gonna rave highly of this, I bet you are tall and skinny. I'm just saying. I'm speaking to my mid-sized girlies here, which are most of you. Don't even think about it. And on top of it, if you're short, out of sight, out of mind, bitch. Do you see what I see? What? It's like rubber ducky wiring underneath conforms to your like chest, your belly, your crevices. It feels insulting. I'm not even being dramatic here, but girl. Somebody gonna match my freak. No. What are you doing? It's like this corset trying to snatch you in or something, but it is not snatching you in. So if you want to feel like you're being elbowed in all directions, not just under your tatas, girl. No, your back squishies, your second back, your big back. No words can explain this. Okay, let me try to be professional. This is hard to comprehend and compute, and it makes absolutely no proper sense. This is incredibly unrealistic on a body. That is not your supermodel friends. Daggers are just jabbing me in weird places. Really going in on the side. Really going in right here too. Popping out right here. Not even sitting on my skin here. And then you come on this side, nothing symmetrical. This side's lower than this side. Pull this side down. What? Don't even get me started on these little panties. Let me say this with my whole heart. Don't even think about getting this corset swim top unless you're looking to be ridiculed. Like, I could literally conform it myself. You could literally snip this however you want and this thing will go there. This swim top is not gonna do anything but increase your blood pressure. This is an extra large. And you know what? I'm just completely sounding like a negative Nancy at this point. It's not Kylie's fault. She has a beautiful, unrealistic, unattainable body. Unless you're Delulu, girl, let's be realistic. It was not made with the intention and the thought of a girl like me. Of course, she's gonna cater towards girls that look like her. Even if she uses plus size models, just representing those like me. To each your own. I don't even know where I'm going with this because I'm getting too emotional. If your best friend lets you walk out like this, she is a fake friend. And if you think for 1 second that this is okay to wear out, you're fine, Faye. You're being dramatic. No, there's a penis growing on the side of my head. This is embarrassing. I want to see you pay 60 bucks, put this on, go out and swim in it, and then come talk to me. Okay, next one. I have no words. Look. Little baby onesie look-alike, a little longer so your flaps aren't showing. Cool, great, right. So there's just these holes, right? Okay, this is me swimming. You see what just happened? No, Faye, you're just being dramatic. Okay. Yep. Again, for educational purposes. I'm not saying everyone's gonna face this problem. No, some of you have sharp shoulders, structure shoulders that will hold the straps up for you. You have a little round mini shoulder blade, but little squishy puffs. Don't even think about it. There's nothing between you or these straps. We can't even. Fingers crossed, hope for the breast, pray for the breast. I do appreciate the length of this. It's a cute little like onesie. The buttocks are more hidden for those who don't have a lot to show off. But yeah, maybe if there was like a strap to go across. The quality, I mean, it's nice and smooth. Oh, seems like somebody already returned this. A pen mark. I did not do that. I only swam in air. So that was not me. Big fat patty wet. I want all my money back. Remember the denim I got in the last haul and it was a 16W and it was way too big and I was like, oh my god, I gotta exchange this and get like my size, which is 30, 31. Just to show you guys that I do try. There's just no way I can find my right pant size. Nothing is consistent. Maybe this bathing suit might look best with jeans on, actually. Thank you, but no. Actually, no thank you. And that is it for this KYLIE bikini haul. I want my money back and I'm taking myself out to dinner. Bye, I love you. Big fat patty wet.